यत्रो टाढा वर्थ इट लाग्यो
एकदमै माथिबाट पढेको देख्थ्यौँ होइन आज चाहिँ पानी तल पढेको देख्दा कस्तो लाग्दो रहेछ
कस्तो लाग्यो नानीलाई Demi. It's a beautiful October day. The rest of Sikkim and India is celebrating Durga Puja and we call it Dasai here. The best sun is during the October season and today is also a very beautiful day. And today is a family trip. I've always done trips like these on motorcycles, but I've sold my bike now and I've become a car person, at least for a few months. So welcome to the vlog, and be kind this time because it has been a rather long break from YouTube. So I hope you like it. Tangu, as I always say, needs no introduction, and I'm also not trying to give you one, but it is one of the most beautiful places in east of Sikkim and also in Sikkim. Welcome. Aloo de parathe and coffee, all homemade. Mayonnaise laye na bhai?
ए सस त्यो अगाडि थियो त नि
सस हुनु छ
ए बहिनी
कसको
सस खाऊ
यो चाहिँ एक्ज्याक्ट छाङ्गु पोइन्ट नामहरू राख्छ यहाँको के यसको नाम बाबु यहाँ चाहिँ बाबु यहाँ चाहिँ उसले बुझ्छ बोलाएकोहरू पनि बाबु हो यहाँ चाहिँ
रिसाउँदैछ है
Everybody is a bit quiet right now because the gut is having a bit of a difficulty breathing the scarcity of oxygen. So we've officially reached Nathula and this is my first time here. Although I tend to visit here every year, I never got the chance to go to Nathula. This is my first time. So much of altitude. Having problem walking by a lot margin. Right beyond that cloud is no man's land, China, and we are not allowed to film. So That place in time will just be in my mind. Ellie is having problem walking, so I'm carrying. There's Natula. Say hi, Ellie. Hi, ma. Hi. Just back from the Indo-China border, and I thought it'd be a huge space there, you know, where we could see the Chinese, the PLA, People's Liberation Army. But it was just a 2 feet passage. There they call it the no man's land, and there was a tall Chinese guy, which was quite a shock. A tall Chinese guy walking with a big DSLR. The weather changes here like every 3-4 minutes. There's our car. People are not being able to walk, so I have to get the car and get the people. Thank God I'm a bit fit. I'm fitter than I thought I was. आधा बाटो आइपुग्यो त्यहाँदेखि वेदरले बेहोरा देखाइदिइहालेको छ पानी परेर केही देखेको छैन कोही कोही त सुति पनि सक्यो So amazingly the weather is amazingly the weather has opened up. Come follow me. All the mazar and chicken rice khande. Some beautiful colors ko joy linde yo. It looks like autumn here. Green, orange, yellow. This is my palette. This is the kind of clothes I want to wear. It seems that we had gone very upset, right? किनभने अब सबै धुम्म खालको भयो र अचानक everything cleared up हुन्छ नि. So that is one beautiful message from life, that anything good can happen. And I need to wipe my mouth right now. आसमान गरज रहा है, बस जुलूक की एक नज़ारा मिल जाए वहाँ थम्बी से बस. So luckily we were able to catch a better view of the 32 hairpin bends, also known as the Silk Route. And it's getting quite cold. We've clicked a few good pictures and I think it's time to go. Had I been alone, I'd stay here in some homestay, but I'm with the family, so the family has to go back home. I'll see you on the way then.
Bye bye.
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel. You see that meat.
राति चाहिँ यस्तो दामी हुन्छ कि यहाँ चाहिँ इन्फिनिटी लाइट चाहिँ लाइट छ.